This is our slower tempo granule cutting machine, suitable for many kinds of granule products such as beans, washing powder, salt, sugar. Let's see how this machine works. Before start the machine, first we set the fuel load there. Let the fuel go through the bed former. The bed former is a device that we fill into bed. Then we pour the product into the machine's hooper. After get ready, we start the machine. Machine consists of actually two parts, volume car and milling machine. This is volume car. The car is customized per product. It is adjustable. Second part is milling machine. It is to be filled into the bed, then seal and cut bed. This is day printer to print the day. This is photo cell to trace the color mark on the field to make sure the sealing and cutting accurate. This is sealing and cutting structure. Touch screen to control and adjust the machine. Machine's structure, electronic components are clearly displayed.